James just got to the factory here. There is a bunch of E20s here. I have to wait till my relatives. He went to the battery shop. A bunch of E20s are ready for boxing. They all got batteries there already. Let me ask what's going on with these. 1, 2, 3 rows. Let me see what's going on.
它是做好的，别人订的货。
哪里？
那个别人的，这是我们自己。
Sorry, those E20s are all.
那个是我们客户下单，我们帮他做完的。
Yeah, the E20s are ready for packaging. So they're sold already. Yeah, I guess these are leftover X50s, leftover X50s. These are ready for packaging. We got a bunch of